to une.tw workshop. I'm Pong Pong. Let's have some chit-chat updating. Last month, I went to Taichung to have one amazing craft market experience. I have seen a lot of inspiring display and it motivated me a lot and inspired me a lot as well. And the other interesting things is that a lot of people came and asking, what is this? And I was telling, that is antenna creature that I made. And it was interesting. They were asking, why they don't have arms? And I say, antenna creature, they only have one pair of legs, even though they don't have arms, but they have a tiny wings behind their back. I turned it back and they were seeing this like, it's super cute! And they were freaking out like, oh my gosh, look at the tiny antenna on it. And like, oh my gosh, this color, this design. And I was telling them the story. And also the other collection like Miss 5 Cents and the other one so on. And make them want to guess, who is Miss Who? Like Miss 5 Cents, there are different name and ideas in there. And 99% that people couldn't get the right answer, only one person, and I was freaking out. Anyway, back to the antenna creature that I was thinking, people like antenna creatures so much, so do I, and why not keep on working on something with them and make it more like related to your real life, like a real character in there. So I was thinking, okay, Halloween is one of the good idea and good chance to get some Halloween costume, right? Because in this time, people would like to do some interior decoration with Halloween and also the costume, and why not put it on antenna creatures? So this is how the idea comes up. that's it. That's today's video, and the last things I wanted to share with you is that one of the things that motivate me a lot and is interesting experience. I made a lot of tutorials videos on YouTube, and rarely that I go to markets and seeing people face to face. These times that I went to craft market, I keep on seeing people coming toward me and say, I watch your YouTube tutorial. That is really inspire me a lot and teach me a lot of things and how I make those stuff, and they send me the picture, and I was super happy to receive that. And it's so interesting that I rarely see people in face and teaching and telling me this, because most of the time I receive the message, leave a comment below, and I was quite super happy seeing that say, oh, your tutorial teach a lot of details and I haven't seen these before, and there are so many techniques and you inspire me so much. I was like, oh my gosh, I love it so much that you inspire me, so you motivate me so much, and I appreciate it really, because yeah, in my whole entire life the ultimate goal is I want to teach. I wanted to share the details in a simple way, easy way, to let people understand how to do it, and maybe you haven't heard that before, or there are not so many people teaching it, and I wanted to share with that, teach that. So that's why I keep on making tutorials, and I want to make online course in the future to support myself, not only the YouTube channel. I wanted to support my life with teaching, and also in the future I will have workshop kits. If you like the tutorial, you want to buy something that is already all prepared, the materials, the tools, everything in one package, then you can go to buy my tutorial workshop kits. And I will keep on working on this in the future, and so far I have my own website. If you want to go and check out, you can go the link down the description box. And so far I have some items listing on it. It's my collection, and few of my items is doll or creatures or the workshop kits in the future. And also now there is one free template that I made a tutorial on YouTube last month, that is teaching class from Perth. If you are interested in it, you can go check the tutorial. There are two versions, one is English, the other one is in Mandarin speaking. And the template is also in two versions, one is English, the other one is in Mandarin. So no matter what language you were learning, then you can go and check my website. Yes, and I appreciate you again for all your lovely comments and feedback to tell me that you learned something from my tutorial, and that is really motivate me a lot. And that is my mission, to teach you, or like doing these kind of tutorial and teaching. I really like teaching a lot. So thanks to let me know, and I will see you next time. Thank you a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.